I'm going to show you what it looks like in here, and also I found something. Come on. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah, and in this channel I'm talking about my new Swedish country cottage garden. And I just bought this place and I haven't started doing so much in the garden. So today I'm going to start clearing around this huge ash tree. And as you can see in the pictures, I started doing some things last night and it was a little bit too dark to put the camera on. So I'm going to clear some of the bushes around this tree. It's blackthorn bushes, and as well some brushwood coming up in the bushes. And also I've told you in a previous video, I think, that it's probably 200 square meters of just blackthorn bushes, and it's kind of a sanctuary for wild boar and deer, and they love to eat garden plants. And since the house is just a few meters from here, I don't want it so close. So I'm going to clear around this tree to remove those unwanted brushwood trees and make it a little bit nicer around here. And hopefully as well, on the downside of this tree, I have the barn that you saw in my first or second video, and there I'm planning to make a small nursery for my own future needs of plants. And so I'm going to clear out the space there where I can have this nursery and divide plants and take cuttings, and they can be shaded and protected there. Probably I can put some kind of fencing around there so the animals can't eat or destroy the plants. So I'm going to start clearing out some of these things now. I hope that you want to see the result. After removing the blackthorn bushes under the ash tree, I have several piles here with debris that I will burn this fall when it's more wet outside. And because I mean it's nothing to keep. You hurt yourself all the time when you handle them, so it's really annoying, so it's better to just burn them, I think. And then I have a pile of the lilacs and other shrubs and trees that does not have thorns, and I think I'm going to make those into wood chips next year or something like that, because it's really handy to cover the soil with to not get weeds. So it's a pile here waiting for that, and it's going to grow much bigger before I'm done. So yeah, and now as you can see, the summer is about to end. The farmer harvested the oats and now it actually looks like autumn, and the temperature has fallen so much the last week, so it's cold nights now. Now I'm done for today. I think I could clear around this tree and clear blackthorn bushes in the slope here for a month, probably every day, and I wouldn't be done. So I call it a day now, but I'm really happy with the result. I think it looks so much better than I could imagine, and I got lots of ideas now what to do with this area. So I'm going to show you what it looks like in here, and also I found something. Come on. As you can see, it's a whole different place. Now you can see this fantastic branch that is, it's like an entire tree. It's so amazing. Look at this. I mean, it's going straight out from the tree and then down, and then it disappears into this jungle here, but I can see that it has an upwards trunk in the end, so when I clear a little bit more next time you will see it. But yeah, it's so nice. Look at this, so much space here, and I mean now you can actually see that it's enormous. Look at the roots. It's so cool, this tree. Take a look. Isn't that wow? And it's some more space around. I've cleared all the way down. Yeah, well, you can't really see how much I have cleared, but it's a lot. But it's of course so much more to do, and we'll see when I do this. I'm thinking of doing, I don't know, quite a bit more, but not today. And when I was working down here, I found something. Let us see. Look at this. It's a hole, and someone is living here. It has been dug, lots of sand has been dug up, and I'm amazed because I thought it was heavy clay here, but it is sand. The sand I found around the house, I was so convinced that they had taken it here just for drainage, but it seems to be sandy soil in this area, so that's quite interesting. And this, I think I know who lives here, and it's the badger, because I met him or her the other night in the garden. He or she ran just in front of me towards this place, so I'm quite sure it's a badger's nest. Quite nice, but yeah, well, maybe it doesn't like it so much when I clear here. It's so many other areas in this jungle where it can live, and I think it's all kinds of tunnels around here, because I've seen dug up sand around a different place as well. So it has made a pile here with sand. So yeah, that's all for today. But look at this. I mean, you can stay here now. You can actually start thinking about creating some kind of garden space here now. It's very exciting. That's all for this time. If you don't subscribe to my channel, please do so and click the little bell so you get notifications whenever I post something new. See ya, bye!